Day, ang trip natin ay
Fambam Day.
Fambam Day.
So, ayan, dito tayo sa Texas Roadhouse. Ayan. And nagpa-reserve na tayo table for 10. And waiting tayo sa Fambam. So, habang naghihintay tayo, dito muna kami sa labas. Medyo mainit lang talaga. May mga areas lang talaga dito sa Vermosa na yung may area siya na mainit. Pero pagdating mo naman sa mall, super malamig naman. Di ba, babe, no? Wala na tayong i-review dito sa Texas Roadhouse kasi ilang beses na kami nakakain dito. Like maybe 3 or 4 times na love, no?
Akin na kuya.
Attention Texas Roadhouse, we have a very special guest for today. Movie Girl! Here Blanquita celebrating her 80th birthday!
Happy birthday!
Sing birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Because of me, let me hear your loudest and proudest sound. Yeah! 1, 2, 3!
So we're done eating na and we're now heading sa time zone. Magbo-bowling kami. Riley!
Wala na pag-asa!
Dito para sa akin talaga ayoko. Okay, may meron pa eh.
Galing, galing!
Sus lang yan. Tapos yung flavor na kinuha ka matcha. Let's try. Yeah.
What's that? What's that?
Buko juice naman. Ah, buko shake pala. Buko shake. Buko buwan. And that's pretty much today. Thank you so much for watching until our next tambay. Bye!
Mama,
Mm.
we were gonna go see